kayo, bye-bye. Hello kayo, bye-bye. Hello kayo sa akin.
Bye-bye!
Going to Davao! We're moving! Look!
Pwede.
Ano nyo na lang, sa bata naman lahat yun.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Uy, ayun si ano.
May mga bagahe kayo.
Magandang tanghali po sa lahat ng aming mga panaunin. Para sa kaligtasan at seguridad ng aming ganda, nais po namin paalis sa
Nagawin natin na!
Good afternoon. We're calling the attention to HK number 15.
So this is the suite room ng To Go. And kasya kami 5 packs. Ang in-avail namin is 7K per day for 2 days. And actually, 2 tao lang ang pwede dyan. And the rest ay binuko sa ibang offer nila. So ayan, merong ref dito. And may food na din, but you need to pay before ka makababa. So yeah, this is so nice. Though for me, hindi pa rin comfortable kasi nahilo pa rin ako. So this is a CR. Ito yung gusto ko kasi mayroon kaming sariling CR. Lalo na family kami and we have kids. Alam niyo na, comfort. So this is comfort. And this is the parang sala. So where we can stay. And this is our window inside our room. It's so nice, and that's it. We're going to Davao, and bye for now, Manila. See you soon, and thank you for the 6 years experience. God bless.